Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the love reading for the week of 10th May 2021 and I'm using the Ascended Masters Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So let's see what are the messages for the relationships this week. Okay. Stay focused. Now, I guess this week is a time where you and your partner spend a lot of time with each other. You are, very considerate towards each other. Your focus is only your partner this week. So you may feel like doing something special for them. You may feel that you want to, get to know them more if it's like a new relationship. Or even if it's been a long time with your partner, you might want to, get to know a very different side of them. So I feel there is a lot of interaction between you and your partner this week. You are together and you are focusing on each other and you're trying to make each other feel special. So I feel this is a very, very good and beautiful message. Let's see the next card, and it's already here. Follow your heart. So I feel those of you who are single, you might feel that you have a lot of options around you. So you may feel that if you're not in a very exclusive relationship, you may feel that the very next day you find someone else. So you might feel that you have a lot of options to date other people, and you are kind of confused whether you want to commit fully or not. So if those of you who are going through that situation where you have a lot of perspectives in your life, then you try and follow what your instinct is telling you. So if you feel that know what you want in a partnership or in a relationship, supposing you want understanding and love, then you might want to choose a partner who is supportive, who's there for you, and understands your perspective. But those of you especially who do for example, you don't want love, you want a rich partner, or certain physical attributes in a partner, then you go for that. So I feel that you really need to know what you want before really accepting one person perpetually in your life. So that is a very, very important message. So the angels are saying, just follow your heart and go with the flow and do what your instincts are telling you. Let's see the next card. Priorities. So this card talks about, again, giving more time to your partnership. So like I said, for some of you this week, you're giving a lot of time to each other, but there needs to be consistency. So you can't be away or not interested in your partnership, say for a few months, and all of a sudden 1 week out of the blue you just decide that, now I'm going to be there for my partner. So I feel that if some of you have started you want to spend time with your partner, then make sure that it's consistent. Do not have a very inconsistent or don't have an inconsistent behavior. So prioritize everything in your life. When it comes to relationships, you have to be very careful how you're handling your partnership, how you're dealing with your children, how you're dealing with your parents, and so on. There's so many relationships we have in our lives, and we should know how to kind of give priority to which. So all relationships are important. You cannot choose between, say, your children and your partner. You cannot choose between your partner and your parents. So you need to know how to manage all partnerships together, especially when you get married. Your roles change. You become someone's wife or husband, or you become someone's daughter-in-law or son-in-law. So you have so many roles that come into your life immediately after getting married. So you have to kind of take everything into consideration and make a balance out of all the relationships you have in your life. So that is the message, and I hope this made sense. If you want a personal reading, send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.